If you're trying to upload a photo to the Passport Seva portal and getting errors with zero explanation of what went wrong, this video will save you hours. I'm going to cover every common error, what actually causes it, and exactly how to fix it. Stay till the end because the number one error has nothing to do with your photo. Error number one, you click upload, you select your photo, and the portal says nothing found to be uploaded. As if you never selected a file. Three things cause this. The portal only accepts JPEG. If your photo is a PNG or a HEIC, which is the default on iPhones, it will silently reject it without telling you the format is wrong. Second, your file name has special characters or spaces. Rename it to something simple, like passport-photo.jpg. Third, you're using Safari or Firefox. Switch to Google Chrome on a desktop computer, not your phone. Desktop Chrome. Error number 2, and this is the one that drives everyone crazy, is mobile device detected failed. Please upload another photo. Image quality is completely okay. Read that again. The portal is telling you your image quality is fine. Then why is it rejecting your photo? Because this error has absolutely nothing to do with your photo. The portal runs a script that checks what device you're using. When that script fails, it throws this error regardless of your photo quality. This happens when you upload from a phone, when you're using a VPN, or when your browser has extensions that block the portal scripts. Here's how to fix it. Fix 1. Switch to a desktop computer with Google Chrome. This is the most reliable fix. Fix 2. If you're stuck on your phone, open Chrome, tap the three dots menu and check Desktop Site. This changes how your browser identifies itself and bypasses the device check. Fix 3. Turn off your VPN. VPNs interfere with the portal's device detection. Fix 4. Clear your cookies for the Passport Seva website and try again in an incognito window. Error number 3. The portal says your dimensions are wrong, and this is where most people waste the most time. Here's what nobody tells you. The Passport Seva portal requires exactly 630 pixels wide by 810 pixels tall, not 600 by 600, not 2 by 2 inches, not 51 by 51 millimeters. If you Google Indian passport photo size, most guides say 2 by 2 inches. That's the size for printed photos and OCI applications. It is not the size for the Passport Seva digital upload. 630 by 810 is a 7 to 9 rectangle, not a square. If you upload a square photo, it will be rejected immediately. To fix this, you need to crop your photo to exactly 630 by 810 pixels. You can do this manually in any image editor or use a tool that handles it automatically. Here's the fastest way to get a Passport Seva compliant photo. Go to PhotoPass.ai, select India Passport, upload any photo from your phone or computer. It automatically crops to exactly 630 by 810 pixels with the correct face coverage ratio, removes the background and replaces it with white, runs a 10-point compliance check, face size, expression, angle, lighting, sharpness, background, everything. Download your photo. Upload it to Passport Seva. Done. It costs $2.99. If your photo gets rejected by the portal after using PhotoPass, you get a full refund. Link is in the description. Hope this saved you some time. Error number 4. File size exceeds the limit. Your phone takes photos that are 3 to 8 megabytes. The portal's limit is 250 kilobytes. That's 12 to 32 times smaller than what your phone produces. Open your photo in any image editor, export as JPEG with quality set to 80%. Check the file size. If it's still over 250 kilobytes, reduce quality to 75. Don't go below 60, the portal will reject overly compressed photos. Error number 5. The portal says you're standing too close to the camera or that the face width ratio is wrong. This means your face is taking up too much or too little of the frame. Passport Seva wants your face to fill 80 to 85% of the image, not 70%, not 90%, 80 to 85. The fix is to crop your photo so your face fills most of the frame with just a small margin at the top and sides. Getting this ratio right by eye is really difficult, which is why most people use a tool that calculates it automatically.